Hi everybody, it's Moses the locksmith. I'll show you guys how to change a battery for the AUTEL key, aftermarket AUTEL key, this one. So first, take a picture of the key, that if the buttons will fall, that you will know how to return them each one. Okay, so just take a picture before you open it. So first you open this. Sometimes you have over here a key, then you can, with the key, put it in this hole over here and turn it a little bit. But I'll do it with a screwdriver. So when I open it, I hold it upside down that the buttons will not fall. If I open it like this, the buttons will fall. If I open it upside down, it will not fall. Okay? So gently, that you will not break it. With a small screwdriver. And you get it open. You can hold this like this, the buttons will not fall. If this falls, you put it in the space, okay? And take out the battery, put in a new battery. The plus goes on the bottom. Also tells you over here says plus on the battery, goes on the bottom like this. Then you put it back. Okay, let me just show you what happens if you open it like this. Okay, not upside down. When you open it, make sure you open it gently, because these could break. Okay, so if you by mistake open it and everything fell down, if you took a picture, you know how to return it. So this one has a little bit round, so put it on the table. Okay, this one. This one. 10. This one. Okay, you put the pieces back together. You put this one, the spring, back together. The rubber with the motherboard. Okay. Then when you put it back, this one you put on top, like this. Okay. If this video was helpful for you, please leave me a like. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys next time. Bye.